Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to find Steam screenshots on your PC. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To find your Steam screenshots on a Windows PC, you can use either Steam's built-in screenshot manager or navigate through the file system. Here's how you can do both. Firstly, launch the Steam application on your PC. Then click on View in the top menu of the Steam window. Choose to click Screenshots from the drop-down menu. This will open the Screenshot Manager, which shows all the screenshots you've taken in your games. From here, you can view, delete, or upload screenshots if you want to find where the screenshots are stored on your PC. You can click on Show on the Disk button, which will open the folder containing the screenshot files and File Explorer. Tip: if you are unsure of the game's app ID, you can look it up by searching for the game on the Steam store via a web browser and checking the URL for the number sequence. By following these methods, you should be able to find and manage all your Steam screenshots on your Windows PC. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.